Hello, today we will guide you through how to set budget goals in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a budget inside QuickBooks Online so you can plan your revenue and expenses and keep your business on track. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser and signing into your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you'll find many of the tools you use to customize your books. Click the gear icon to open settings. From the options that appear, choose budgeting. This takes you to the budgeting area where you can view any budgets you've already created and add new ones. To begin a fresh plan, select Create Budget. This opens the budget setup screen. Here, review and edit the budget details as needed. Give your budget a clear descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, like including the year or department. Confirm the fiscal year you want to budget for and choose how you'd like the budget organized: monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so it matches how you review performance. If you track locations, classes, or customers in your books, you can tailor the budget to a specific segment to get more precise targets. Many businesses also like to reference last year's actuals when setting goals. Using historical data helps you set realistic targets and account for seasonality. Keep an eye on the currency and date range to ensure they align with your company settings. When the details look right, click Next. You'll see the budget grid, which lists your accounts and the periods you selected. Enter the amounts you want to target for your income and expense accounts. Aim for numbers that stretch your goals but stay achievable. Consider fixed costs that don't change much, like rent or subscriptions, and variable costs that may rise and fall with sales. If your business is seasonal, reflect that by increasing or decreasing certain months. It can help to compare to prior periods, add a small buffer for unexpected costs, and double-check that totals make sense across the full year. After you've reviewed your entries and you're confident in the plan, click Save. QuickBooks will store your new budget and make it available anytime you return to the budgeting page. From here on, you can refer back to these targets as you manage day-to-day transactions and evaluate performance over time. That's it. You've created a budget in QuickBooks Online, giving your business a clear set of financial goals to measure against as the year progresses.